Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and TikTok. This is sirbenardmtc on YouTube channel and TikTok sirbenardmtc. This channel is for mathematics and computer trainings. So today we are going to study intersection of lines on a graph. Intersection of lines means when you have your graph going like this. So these lines, this is the intersection of lines. Here, because this is the wire they're intersecting. This is like, for example, this x equals x plus 1. Y equals 2x plus 2. So these lines here where they meet, we call it intersection. So we are going to study about intersection of lines. Where two lines meet, two lines or more meet. Those are called intersections. So today we are going to study about intersection. How to find the coordinates of these intersection lines. For example, these coordinates where they meet here. How to find these coordinates. We find x and y. So these coordinates, you're going to use the equation because the lines have the equation. So we're going to use this equation and we find the coordinates of the intersection of lines. Let's move the lesson. Thank you for supporting sirbenardmtc on YouTube channel and TikTok sirbenardmtc. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like. Thank you. Let's move the lesson. Intersection of lines. Intersection of lines means if two or more lines meet, we call it intersection. As I have shown it in the previous example, if you have a graph and the line are passing like this is where I call it intersection of lines. Where the two lines or more meet, we call it intersection. So you're going to solve how to find the coordinates of intersection of lines. How do you get you have the equation of the line. Every line have the equation, so you have to use that equation to find the coordinates of lines of intersection. Let's look at the example 1. Find the coordinates Example 1. Find the coordinates of the point where the following pairs of line intersect. Intersect means meet, where they meet. Find the coordinates of point where following pair of lines intersect. Example number 1. A. X plus 2y is equal to 2 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. Find the coordinates of the point where the following pairs of line intersect. This line 1, this is line 2. So this line is on the graph. If the graph is like this, so for example, this is x, this is y. So the line is passing straight line, and the line is passing. This is 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. This is x plus 2y is equal to 2. So this line, the word intersect means these two lines where they are meeting. So we want to find the points of these coordinates of this intersection, because this is the point where they need to find the point coordinates of intersection. These two lines where they are meeting is here. So you are going to use this equation to find the coordinates of intersection. In previous lessons, we have been looking for the equation of straight line, but here you have given the equation of straight line. So you are going to use the equation to look for the coordinates. In the previous lesson, we are having the coordinates to look for the equation. So here we have the equation to look for the coordinates of intersection. So how do you do this? Look how I'm going to work on this number. This is very simple. So how do you find the coordinates of the point where the following pairs of lines intersect? How do you work here? You have the equation, you have the equation. Here we don't have the points, we don't have the coordinates. So you're looking for the coordinates. How do you work this number? We are going to use these equations to find the coordinates. To the simple way to work with this number, you use simultaneous equation formula to find it. How to use the simultaneous? We're going to add this equation, or you can subtract them. Solution. We're going to use x plus 2y is equal to 2. Here, 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. What do we do here? Here, simultaneous equation. You can add this equation. That's another also way. Or you multiply this equation first. What you do here, you make like this. You come here, you multiply this number which is here, and you multiply it here, and the one which is here, you multiply it here. Here you have 3, here you have 1x. So you're going to bring here 1, here we put 3. So this 3 is going to multiply all this equation. Then this one is going to multiply the equation, this equation here. Then after all, we subtract them. So you come here, you multiply 3 times x, you get 3x plus 3 times 2y, you get 6y equals to 3 times 2, you get 6. You come here, 1 times 3, you get 3x minus 1 times 2, you get 2y is equal to 1 times 14, you get 14. After, then you're going to subtract this equation, equation 1 minus equation 2. We come here, 3x plus 6y equal to 6. 3x minus 2y equal to 14. So you subtract 3x minus 3x, you get 0. Here, 6 minus is 6 minus 2. This 2y, 6y, 2y. Here you make it positive. So here is a positive, which means you get 8y is equal to 6 minus 14. You get negative 8. So you divide here both sides by this 8. Both sides by 8. We remain with y is equal to 8 divided by 8, you get negative 1. So you have got the value of y. So after getting the value of y, you're going to choose one here, one equation here, and substitute the value of y. And you look for x. You come here, you're going to choose one equation here, any equation, and you substitute the value of y. So let us use equation 1. We are looking for now x, because we have now y. So you come here, x plus 2y is equal to 2. So but y is equal to negative 1. So you come here, x plus negative 1 times 2, you get negative 2 is equal to 2. You're going to take this 2 this side. You mean x is equal to, here it is negative, it crosses equal signs, it becomes a positive. So 2 plus 2, you get 4. So you have got the value of x and y. So you come here and you say the coordinates of the question is saying find the coordinates of the point where the following pairs of line intersect. This line and this one, why intersect on the graph. So you come here and you finalize that therefore our coordinates is 4 and negative 1. This is the points of intersection of the two lines. As simple as that. I said here you can add directly, or the first multiplication, then subtract them, and you get the answer. Let's move to the example 2. Or let me show you when you are adding using addition without subtraction. Can you get equation 1 equals to 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. and you add direct here. If you add them, you're going to add x plus 3 get 4x. Here 2 minus 2 you get 0. So you remain with 0. So 2 plus you get 6. 2 plus 14 you get 16. We divide here both sides by 4 to make x the subject. X is equal to, you get 4. So x you get here 4. Here our x was 4. So you get here one equation and substitute x. Get one equation here and substitute x. So x plus 2y is equal to 2. So you are looking for y. For, remember, x is equals 4. So where x is, we put 4 plus 2y is equal to 2. We collect like terms together, take this 4 this side. Remain 2y is equal to, if it comes, it goes minus. We remain with 2 minus 4 get negative 2. You divide both sides here by 2 by 2. Get y is equal to negative 2 divided by positive 2, you get negative 1. As simple as that. You see the answer are the same. So it's up to you. You can add directly or after you multiply them and then you subtract. When you're solving a simultaneous equation, you multiply them, then you subtract the equation. Thank you. Let's move to the next example. Thank you for supporting Sir Bernard MTC. If you don't understand, please send your comment.